Welcome to the dazzling world of laser levels, where precision meets pizzazz. If you've ever found yourself measuring twice but somehow still cutting wrong, you're in the right place. We're here to illuminate your construction and DIY projects with the best laser levels on the market. Whether you're hanging art or leveling the deck, we'll help you shine a light on your options so you can nail that next project with flair. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the DEWALT DW088K Cross-Line Laser Level. If you're working on projects that require precise alignment over long distances, the DEWALT DW088K Cross-Line Laser Level could be the tool you need. Unlike many laser levels that only project clear lines up to about 30 feet, this model shines with a visible red laser beam that extends up to 100 feet indoors, particularly in dim lighting conditions. You might notice that the laser's visibility diminishes a bit in bright light, yet you can still expect a clear line of sight for up to 50 feet, suitable for various DIY tasks around your home or job site. Additionally, if you choose to purchase a separate detector, you'll be able to extend that visibility up to 165 feet, making it a versatile option for more extensive projects. This laser level projects horizontal, vertical, and cross lines, giving you enhanced flexibility for aligning cabinets, framing walls, or hanging pictures. While it doesn't offer a 360-degree projection, its accuracy remains impressive. With an accuracy of plus or minus 1/8 inch at 30 feet, you can trust the precision when you're laying out projects. During our testing, we found it even surpassed this standard. Designed for ease of use, the DEWALT DW088K self-adjusts within a 4-degree angle, allowing you to work efficiently without frustrating readjustments. With this tool in your arsenal, you'll find achieving perfectly straight lines and accurate measurements is a breeze. Turn your vision into reality with confidence. At number 4, Bosch Cross-Line Laser Level. The Bosch Cross-Line Laser Level is a compact and powerful addition to your toolkit, roughly the size of a tape measure. If you've ever struggled to ensure your lines are straight while hanging pictures or installing shelves, this tool is designed to make those tasks effortless and precise. The Bosch GL30 projects a bright red cross-line laser beam that clearly extends up to 30 feet, making it easy to see from close-up or at a distance. You'll appreciate how user-friendly it is. It takes most of the guesswork out of leveling and adjusting. You'll find it comes equipped with a versatile clamp that can securely attach to surfaces ranging from 1/2 inch to 2¼ inches thick. Plus, the micro-fine adjustment knob allows for even more precise angling, ensuring your project looks perfect. Durability is key, and this laser level is built to last. It successfully passed our drop test, showing no issues even after being dropped twice. This reliability makes it perfect for everyday tasks, whether you're hanging mirrors, art, or completing small DIY projects around your home. Owning the Bosch Cross-Line Laser Level means you'll always have a dependable partner for those moments when precision is essential. It's a practical tool that balances ease of use with functionality, making your home improvement projects smoother and more enjoyable. With this tool at your side, you can tackle your tasks with confidence, knowing that your lines will always be straight. Number 3, we have the Huepar Self-Leveling Green Laser Level. The Huepar Self-Leveling Green Laser Level is the perfect tool for both indoor and outdoor projects. Traditional laser levels often emit red beams, which can be challenging to see in bright conditions. If you find yourself working outdoors, the Huepar 621CG is your ideal solution, featuring a vibrant green laser that stands out even in direct sunlight. This advanced laser level projects a 360-degree green beam horizontally around the room and a 180-degree vertical line, complete with 2 red plum dots for precise alignment. You'll appreciate how easy it is to use, allowing you to see the laser over impressive distances, whether you're setting up in a large yard or a spacious room. Plus, with 2 brightness modes, you can adapt the visibility of the beam to suit various lighting conditions. One standout feature is its self-leveling capability, which operates within an impressive 3.5-degree range, better than many models in its class. You can rely on this tool for precision in your projects. And don't worry about durability. It aced our drop test without any loss of functionality. While the Huepar 621CG does not come with a tripod, it conveniently attaches to any existing tripod you may have, utilizing either 1/4 inch or 5/8 inch threads. Elevate your project efficiency with the Huepar Self-Leveling Green Laser Level, your go-to companion for achieving flawless results. At number 2, HYCHIKA 50-foot Laser Level. When you're tackling home projects that need straight lines but don't require professional-grade precision, the HYCHIKA 50-foot Laser Level offers you the perfect balance of functionality and affordability. You'll find this tool projects clear red lines, horizontal, vertical, or crossed, extending up to 50 feet with sufficient accuracy for your everyday needs. The user-friendly design features just 2 buttons, one to power on and select modes, and another to lock or unlock the laser line. While you might initially struggle with the somewhat unclear instructions, particularly regarding the self-leveling feature, you'll quickly get the hang of it. Be aware that in very bright or dimly lit environments, visibility of the beam may become challenging. You'll appreciate the durability of this device. It can withstand an accidental drop, though you'll need to wait about 90 seconds for it to reset afterward. The included magnetic mounting bracket adds versatility to your setup options, and although a tripod isn't included, you can easily attach it to any standard 1/4 inch tripod pole. For your home improvement projects like hanging pictures, installing shelves, or aligning fixtures, this laser level provides the guidance you need without the professional price tag. As you complete tasks with greater ease and confidence, you'll wonder how you managed without it. Add the HYCHIKA laser level to your toolkit today and experience how this practical tool can transform your DIY approach, helping you achieve more professional-looking results on your next project. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Johnson Level and Tool Self-Leveling Cross-Line Laser. When you're tackling DIY projects that require absolute precision, whether you're mounting kitchen cabinets, hanging doors, or installing drapery hardware, the Johnson Level and Tool Laser Level becomes your most valuable ally. This professional-grade tool stands out for its remarkable user-friendliness combined with exceptional self-leveling accuracy. You'll appreciate how it projects crisp vertical and horizontal lines, ensuring your home improvements have that flawless, professional appearance you're striving for. With an impressive indoor range extending up to 100 feet, you can easily establish perfect alignment across larger rooms without constantly repositioning your equipment. Whether you need vertical lines, horizontal guidelines, or intersecting cross lines, this versatile tool delivers consistently reliable results. You'll particularly value the included red glasses, a thoughtful feature that dramatically enhances your ability to see the laser beam even in challenging lighting conditions. This means you can work with greater confidence, knowing exactly where your reference lines fall. As you invest time and energy into beautifying your home, you deserve tools that match your commitment to quality. The Johnson Level and Tool doesn't just meet your expectations, it exceeds them, transforming potentially frustrating alignment tasks into straightforward procedures. Whether you're an occasional DIYer or someone who regularly takes on home improvement challenges, this laser level provides the accuracy and dependability you need to achieve professional results. Add it to your toolkit, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which laser level you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.